Hello dear friends, welcome to your own channel Gramification. Hope you all are enjoying this chilled winter. Do take care and pay proper attention to your health because the weather is getting changed very frequently in these days. As we are continuing with our noun practice session classes, so in today's class also we will continue with the same. So let us start with the lesson. Ram spends 2/4 of salary in education. राम अपने सैलरी के 2/4 4 पोर्शन में 2 भाग सैलरी एजुकेशन में खर्च करता है. It seems correct one, but as it is the case of fraction, so here what is the mistake? 2 and here 4th, both are plural form. So in this plural form we have to use s, क्योंकि 2 is more than 1, it is plural. जहां पे भी फ्रैक्शन केस में प्लूरल फॉर्म यूज होता है और उस केस में इट विल बी प्लूरल वन. प्लूरल होगा बाय यूजिंग एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट मे, इफ आई एम राइटिंग 1/4 देन इट इज करेक्ट बिकॉज आपका जो पोर्शन है, जो फ्रैक्शन का पोर्शन है 1 इज अ सिंगुलर इन नंबर, सो वी आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज एस हियर. प्लूरल बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बट एज इट इज अ प्लूरल वन 2, सो वी हैव टू यूज एस. Next one, Gopal went to his parent-in-law's house. Very minor mistake is here. Parent means combination of mother and father. Parent cannot be either father or cannot be either mother. Parent मतलब ना single father या single mother को indicate नहीं करता है. Parent means both mother and father. So they are plural. So the mistake is parents. S. Gopal went to his parents-in-law's house. Next one is, the book's first page is missing. While discussing about the noun, we had already seen that non-living object cannot take apostrophe s as possessive case. जो non-living object होता है, like book एक non-living object है, वो कभी भी apostrophe s possessive case में नहीं लेगा. So what will be the correct one? The first page of the book is missing. The first page of the book is missing. Here there may be another question. आपके मन में और एक question arise हो सकता है कि why I am using the book. Here the first one also, the first page, I am indicating to a particular page. Here also I am using the book because it is also the particular one. That's why I am using the first page, means exact page, first one, as well as the book because it is a definite one. Come to the next one. Meena is a she servant in school. It seems very correct. You may feel it is correct one, but it's not a correct one. As you also know, जो आपको भी पता है, so whenever we are using female one, so it will become maid servant, and if it is a male, we are calling them male servant or man servant. So Meena is a maid servant in school. Meena is a female, so we are calling her as maid servant, and she is a wrong one. This is all for today. Hope this content is useful to you. Please don't forget to have the thumb impression on this video. Thank you and have a very nice day.